Just got my scissor arm stand for my microphone, which I had ordered almost 2 days ago. Amazon, quick delivery. So I'm gonna unbox it right now so that you can see how it is packaged and what else is there. So let's go ahead and quickly unbox it. Wright professional recording microphone stand. This is the scissor arm stand that I had ordered. Well packaged. I really liked it. Now let's go ahead and take it out of the box.